Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can refer a friend on Temu app. It's pretty simple. Now you want to click on you at the bottom of your screen. And over here you want to click on earn credits and free gift. Now remember, you're only going to get this option if your address is set to United States. So click on address at the bottom and make sure your address is set to United States. My address is already under United States, that's why I have this option. I need to click on earn gift and free gifts. From over here I need to scroll all the way down and click on where it says refer and earn. Once I click on refer and earn, I need to click on invite new app user. Once I click on it, you can see the option called copy link. I can click on copy link. Once I click on copy link, what I can do is provide this link to my friend. Now I can use Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever thing I want. I need to give this link to my friend. And my friend, if they click on the link and let's say they get my link, they paste it, then basically that link is going to take them to this page. And from this page, they can download Temu. Once they download Temu and create an account in Temu, what will happen is Temu is going to give me an opportunity to spin a wheel. Once I spin the wheel, I might win some big prize or I might not win some big prize, but that basically gives me a chance to win a big prize. That is how we guys can refer a friend on Temu and hopefully get a prize as well. So I hope you understand. If you guys found this video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.